What if your AI researcher wasn't just faster, but actually smarter than OpenAI's? That's exactly what U.com is claiming with its latest launch, ARI Enterprise. In 76% of direct comparisons, this platform beat OpenAI's deep research tool, and it's already transforming how top firms, from VCs to the NIH, conduct high-stakes analysis. The message? The AI research game has changed. And U.com's not just playing, they're aiming to dominate. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about what this means for you.
ARI Enterprise is U.com's newest weapon in what some are calling the new browser wars. But instead of chasing general AI users, U.com has gone all in on enterprise-grade research, targeting financial analysts, consultants, and research teams who demand both depth and accuracy.
And the results are bold. ARI scored 80% on the Frames benchmark, a rigorous test co-developed by Harvard, Meta, and Google. That puts it ahead of some of the biggest names in AI. Even more striking? In a head-to-head showdown using OpenAI's own O3 mini model as judge, ARI crushed OpenAI's deep research, winning 76% of 612 individual tests. But it's not just about numbers, it's about capability. ARI Enterprise pulls from over 440 sources per query, and integrates directly with enterprise systems like SharePoint, Google Drive, and custom databases. Imagine asking it a complex business question, like how aerospace giants could break into the eVTOL cargo market, and getting a consulting-level report in minutes. That's not theory. That actually happened in a demo. Venture firms like Westcap are already using ARI to sharpen investment research. The NIH is leveraging it for healthcare cost analysis. It even runs Monte Carlo simulations automatically, tasks that used to take teams weeks. Unlike fully autonomous AI systems that spit out generic answers, ARI keeps humans in the loop. You get to shape the research plan, adjust focus, and guide direction. That's a huge differentiator, and it fixes a major flaw in most AI tools. U.com's CEO Richard Socher, former chief scientist at Salesforce, says this isn't about replacing analysts. It's about making them radically more effective. Just like the internet didn't kill librarians, it leveled up the job. And here's the kicker. The insights ARI delivers, once accessible only to execs spending tens of thousands, can now be generated in under 10 minutes for a fraction of the cost. Backed by $99 million in funding and partners like NVIDIA and Salesforce Ventures, U.com has moved from challenger to serious contender in enterprise AI. They've even open-sourced their benchmarking methods so the results can be independently verified. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal. AI research tools are no longer about speed alone. They're about depth, accuracy, and real-time insight. Want to see what's next? Check out the related video in the corner. And if you're serious about leveling up your research game, don't just watch, act. Like, subscribe, comment below, and explore how ARI could reshape the way your business makes decisions.